It's 11:30 p.m. You're lying in your bed. The blue light of your smartphone screen is reflecting in your tired eyes. You just finished a long 10-hour shift, and you're scrolling, just scrolling to forget the stress of the day. And then it happens. A notification pops up from your bank. The screen says, "Congratulations, you have unlocked a $5,000 limit increase." For a second, your heart jumps. You feel a surge of relief. You feel successful, like you've been approved, validated. But as you look at that plastic credit card on your nightstand, you have to face the brutal truth. You are not winning this game. You are being harvested like a crop in a field. Meet Mark. He is 29 years old. He is a hard worker. On paper, Mark is doing great. He drives a nice car, wears professional clothes, he looks the part. But Mark has a dark secret. Every single month, his salary arrives in one big lump sum. It feels good for a moment. Then, within 48 hours, that money vanishes. It disappears into a dozen invisible leaks. The subscriptions, the lunches, the little taps of the car that don't feel like anything. Mark feels like he is running on a treadmill that is moving too fast. He can't keep up, no matter how hard he runs. He uses his credit card for everything. The bank convinced him this is smart. They sold him on the idea that he is earning free travel points. But the truth is, he is trading his future freedom, his ability to choose, for a small flight ticket somewhere down the line, a tiny reward for a mountain of risk. And scientists at MIT discovered the precise reason why people like Mark are stuck. It's not a lack of willpower, it's neuroscience. When you pay for something with physical paper cash, the pain centers of your human brain light up red. It is a very real, tangible experience called the pain of paying. Your brain sends a clear signal. You are losing something of value. It makes you hesitate. It makes you think. But when those same people were studied while they swiped a credit card, those pain centers in the brain stay silent, dark. Nothing happens. That credit card is a neurological anesthetic. It is a piece of plastic specifically designed to numb your brain and stop you from making smart financial decisions. It disconnects the act of getting something from the reality of paying for it. And it's not just the card itself. Every beep of the payment terminal is a little hit of dopamine. Every colorful points earned animation in your banking app is a carefully crafted psychological weapon. It is pointed directly at your own head, exploiting your natural desire for reward and validation. So before we move on, I want you to be completely honest with yourself. Look at your banking app right now. Seriously, open it. How many points have you earned this month? See the number. Now, find your current debt balance. Put those two numbers side by side. Is the reward really worth the struggle?
Let's talk about the machine, the one in your wallet. And if you think you're beating the system by paying off your balance every month, collecting your points, you need to think again. The math behind this machine is predatory, and you're playing a game where the rules are written against you. Consider the reverse Robin Hood scheme. Here's how it works. Every time you swipe your card, the shop you're in, your local bookstore, the corner cafe, has to pay a fee to the bank, usually around 3%. To cover that cost, what do? They raise their prices for everyone. So that person in line behind you, the one buying groceries with a handful of cash, they are paying a little extra to cover the cost of your transaction. Their cash is subsidizing your airline miles, your luxury airport lounge access. It's a system engineered to make the poor pay for the perks of the rich, while the bank quietly skims a profit from every single tap, swipe, and click on the planet. And the bank doesn't want you to go bankrupt. That's bad for business. They want you right in the sweet spot. They want you carrying a balance that's just big enough to generate a steady stream of high-interest payments, but just small enough that you don't default. Small enough that you keep getting up every morning, working that 9 to 5 just to keep feeding the machine. Let me tell you about Mark. Mark puts $1,000 on his card. The interest rate? A cool 22%. He's being responsible, he thinks. He pays the minimum, $35 a month. He believes he's managing his debt. But if he only ever pays that minimum, he will be shackled to that one single purchase for 5 years. That $1,000 item will end up costing him $2,100. And the bank's computer? It already ran the numbers. It knows with cold statistical certainty that there's an 87% chance Mark will still be in debt 5 years from now. He's not a customer, he's a predictable revenue stream. Now, pull out your phone, open your banking app, look at it, really look at it. It's not a tool, it's a casino in your pocket. The bright, colorful charts that go up, the little notifications celebrating your new higher credit limit, it's all designed to make debt feel like progress, like you're winning a game. But you're not optimizing rewards points, you're gambling with the most valuable thing you have, your life's energy. So how do you break these chains? You need weapons. Here are 3. First, the cash-only week. For just 7 days, no plastic. Use paper money for everything. Feel it. Watch it leave your hand. It's a jolt of reality that reconnects your brain to the physical act of spending. Second, the 24-hour rule. For any purchase over $50, just wait 1 day. That's it. You'll be shocked at how often that frantic, I need this now feeling was just a temporary psychological itch that vanishes overnight. And third, and this is the most powerful, calculate the life cost. That new $1,200 laptop, it's not just a number. If you make $15 an hour, that laptop costs you 80 hours of your life, 2 full 40-hour work weeks, gone. Traded for a screen. Is it worth it? These aren't just tips, they're acts of rebellion. They're how you reclaim your focus and your freedom. Because the best investment you can ever make isn't in points or miles or cash back. It's in your own understanding.